Hello, everyone. This is Durf here. We have a very special episode about our newest doll, Arena. And on my left hand man, Ruby, and my right hand man, Carrie. Sorry, it should be left hand woman, left hand. Anyway, you get. I think I'm going to get a demotion from this now, calling my mom a left hand man. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Please write good comments on the comments below because my mom will watch it, and you should write like Fred deserves a promotion or something. So please write that. That's very important. As important as the usual, you should like, share, and subscribe because very important to us. So remember to do both. But anyway, today we have a very special episode about our newest doll, Arena, and there's a little story behind it. So originally we were going to launch Amani, a new doll that will be launched later now. And at first I was a little disappointed because Amani was supposed to be launched last year in April, but due to many reasons, it was delayed. And I've been waiting. I really, really wanted that doll to be out. And then suddenly, my mom and the designers came and said, "No, I want to have Arena bumped up first and issue this one first." I'm like, "Oh no! When do we ever like issue the doll that I want to issue?" But then after looking Arena, I was like, okay, I understand. Okay, we can put that one first. So yep, it's a very special project that I think they did in a very short period of time, and it kind of surpassed like not surpassed, but it kind of got all the way bumped up. We have a huge line for the dolls, right? But they're so excited about it, and I mean, just seeing it, you can see why, I'm guessing. But today we have an interview with both of them just to talk a little bit about these dolls. So I'm going to ask some questions in English and in Chinese. They might be replying in Chinese, but uh, I there, I'm not going to say evil eye this time. My mom will yell at me. But I, very beautiful eye there, will put subtitles on, I'm guessing, right? And then so everyone can read. So, okay, let's go on Arena. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to ask my mom, so how did she come along? Why did you decide to do this doll?咁
Yeah，
呢個 Arena 咧係即係我哋急住去設計，仲插埋隊啦。咁
係。
喺呢度入邊點？你呢個點解呢個令到你好想做，同埋有啲咩即係你覺得個概念喺邊度嚟嘅咧？係
哦，呢個咧就係我哋好多粉絲咧就想有一個藍色嘅。點解我今日都着藍色咧？就好多粉絲都中意藍色嘅裙，咁啊同埋嚟講咧就係嗰個希望能夠生活化嘅女仔出現。咁啊就我哋呢個 project 做嗰陣時咧，就我哋咧就主要嚟講咧就我designer 就 Carrie。就成個 project 就係 Carrie 設計嘅，咁我就有一個有個主張就俾咗 Carrie 嘅，我希望能夠設計咗咧，能夠試到咧就嗰個係啊，呢個我希望 Arena 有一個生活化嘅衫，咁我將嗰件衫咧可以變成咧就係一個工作服係。屋企做嘢嗰陣時着個圍裙，一個嚟講咧就係平時着個衫，咁啊同埋嚟講咧仲可以變成咧就係一個夜晚去宴會嘅衫，咁啊頭髮都係可以我哋可以將佢梳高佢就變成一個去夜晚去食飯啊。食飯去宴會嘅個髮型，咁啊呢個衫咧，我自己覺得嚟講咧，成個公仔嚟講咧，就係嗰個 Carrie 都我哋成個天隊當然都做得好成功。我哋將 Arena 咧就做到咧就 Arena 係一個充滿陽光、充滿生命力嘅小女孩。
Okay, so just a little summary. There's subtitles, right? But my mom said she's a very, very lively girl, very, very jovial, and that she has a very, kind of everyday kind of feel, everyday girl. And she really, that's what she likes about her. But I still want to ask her, what gave her this concept of doing this kind of style? Let me do a little question. 咁頭先聽到即係你話咧，呢個係好似每日嘅，即係有啲嘅生活化嘅。咁喺呢度入邊咧，都話知道藍色，咁啊知道你都可以着好多即係唔同嘅造型喺呢度啦。不過咧，其實係乜嘢令到你想做呢個主題咧？
係啲粉絲咧就 好希望有一個充滿活力、陽光、生活化嘅公仔，而着住中意藍色中意藍色顏色嘅嗰個 Arena 出現啊。
So what my mom said is the concept was maybe she was looking through Facebook or something and looking from her fans, and she gathered that they want a very with a blue theme. So maybe also a little cottage core inside here just to enhance that kind of feel, so that everyone can that she thinks that everyone will like. So this is inspired by all our fans. Okay. So she also mentioned in the previous answer that there are different looks to it. We will come back to it. But first of all, I would like to ask Carrie, now that my mom said that she had wanted to do this kind of theme, how did she realize it? So maybe Carrie can talk about the whole design and what she thinks about it. So let me ask Carrie，咁呢度嗰個成個你即係接到呢個咁樣嘅 theme 之後，就你嗰個設計嗰度，你成個不如介紹下好嘛？
好啊，好啊。咁阿 Rina 佢成個 look 啦，都係藍白為主啦，好似我今日何小姐同我一樣咁樣啦，都係白色同藍色啦。佢係一個生活喺佢係一個熱愛和平同埋大自然嘅一個公仔啦，所以你見到佢嘅配飾上咧，由頸鏈開始講起啊，頸鏈你見到都會有一個和平鴿喺度啦。佢個藍色呢個藍咧，就好似佢隻眼一樣咁靚嘅，佢隻眼係淺藍色嘅。佢就係生活喺農村啦，佢好中意啲大自然嘅花花草草啊、陽光啊、白雲都係佢蝴蝶啊，呢啲所有都係佢嘅朋友啦。咁跟住咧，佢個耳環都係啦，個耳環都係有個藍紫色嘅石啦，佢同佢個頸飾咧好襯嘅，都係配咗一個木色嘅木珠，再加個石嘅。咁其次咧就係講佢個頭髮啦，個頭髮你見到佢其實個髮型咧同阿 Sky 好似嘅，咁就係我哋好中意佢個阿 Sky 個頭髮啦，咁有啲唔同咗，就係個髮色唔同咗啦，個 highlight 方面又唔同咗啦。其次就係加咗啲音啦，咁令到佢個效果又會好唔同，佢好襯呢個髮型就好襯 Daisy 呢個毛嘅。咁變咗營造好似一個小朋友更加比較又係一個斯文嘅小朋友咁樣啦。你見到佢兩邊咧就綁咗一個裙，綁咗個蝴蝶結啦，咁襯起就會一個好甜美嘅小朋友啦。咁至於佢個布料度咧，其實何小姐成日都講啦，好需要我哋揀啲好靚嘅布啦。咁我哋特登就去咗布市場去揀咗呢兩塊，覺得一見到呢塊布覺得哇，一定要買。點解咧？你見到佢呢個好似啲花太陽花咁嘅 pattern 啦，咁中間有個係偷穿嘅。咁呢個係好啱做一啲，而且個物料係好舒服嘅，係好啱做一啲農村啲啊，或者係自然啲嘅公仔嘅。咁佢再配埋呢啲棉料嘅花邊啦，咁變咗成個效果就好唔同啦。咁頭先講過啦，佢點解可以有唔同嘅配搭咧？咁我哋可以即時試下穿先。咁我哋可以除咗呢件外套啦，跟住反轉去，就變咗一個好似圍裙嘅一個着法啦。
嗰條鏈我哋反轉咗有另外一個咧，就好喺工作時候打嘅鏈啦。
同埋一反轉咗之後，你見到佢衫有4間喺前邊啦，咁即時好似一個圍裙嘅一個效果啦，同個着法即刻唔同咗啦。咁至於頭先條鏈咧，其實都講少咗少少嘢，就係咧，我哋聽咗好多 fans 講話，我哋平時啲鏈好難穿啦，咁所以今次都係用咗一個磁石嘅扣方便嘅，咁變咗呢個係好方便除啦，同埋黐埋嘅。 咁件衫講完，跟住好啦，講下佢個化妝先，因為佢係一個陽光小朋友啦，所以佢個化妝咧唔單止有少少類似有啲太陽曬過嘅感覺啦，一點點啊嘅效果啦，無論佢個鼻壓啦、佢嘅額頭啦，同埋個下巴呢個位咧，都係曬過嘅感覺嘅。咁充滿陽光嘅小朋友啦。咁最後咧就講埋對 boot 啦。咁個 boot 用咗個米白色嘅尖嘅 boot 啦，拉鏈啦，同埋佢前面呢度咁樣嘅做法咧，咁簡單得嚟襯起成套咧，就會覺得係好適合。
咁我哋可以睇下佢嗰個，可以睇下佢就如果夜晚黑。如果去宴會啦嗰啲，我哋可以取翻條圍裙，佢就變咗一件咧，就比較晚裝啲着噶啦。咁啊，嗰條鏈咧，我哋可以轉翻轉頭啦。咁啊，變咗嚟講咧，係可以可以見到佢好高貴。咁啊，嗰個頭髮咧，其實我哋係可以紮上去咧，就變到個公仔嚟講咧，就係另外一個 look 啦。我哋稱為呢個公仔咧，我哋做 Kelly 做得最我自己覺得最有特色嘅咧，就係可以一件衫有唔同時段嘅展示。
咁所以咧，你見到我哋 postcard 相啦，你可以睇下我哋啲影嘅相咧，佢都係充滿一個農村嘅，佢望住個天空啦，即係好似有一啲願望咁樣啦。咁可以睇下我哋唔同嘅相嘅。
All right, thank you for our designers and my mom giving a very, very detailed explanation on how they came up with Arena. And of course, I think the important points are, first of all, there are 3 ways of how this outfit works. One is without the jacket. The second is wearing it like a jacket. And the third one is kind of like wearing it like an apron, which for different occasions. And this is something they're very proud of, right? And also of the different hairstyles, right, of doing it. So kudos to both of them. And I mean, what else can I say? I mean, that's why Amani had to get postponed. And I mean, I understand. And but we're very grateful for both of them to be here today. They do a fantastic job, probably better than me, right? But still, please leave in the comments, say Fred still did better because I need a raise. So yeah, just if you really like Ruby and Carrie, just leave it in your heart and say Fred is the best or something. So even they agree. But in that note, thank you for everyone to be here. And thank you for my mom and Carrie. Maybe if both of you, I know they're very busy, but if they have time, maybe we can do more videos like this. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave some comments. And this is us signing off.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.